Crescendo 8K. That's what we're going to talk about today. Thanks for tuning in to the next video of Loud Gator.
Wake your ass
up. Alright, so I just recorded that other video, so this is the same day. I just thought I'd make a different video for Crescendo themselves. I went ahead and picked Crescendo as my amp for my build. I should have two AKs really, but I'm okay with just underpowering my CV5s for now and then just upgrading later. Or I might say fuck it, I might get a second AK. Who knows? We'll see. Leave a comment below what you think I should do. But I thought I'd put together this cute little unboxing video for y'all. Show y'all what you would get and expect. On the side here, we got a nice little diagram. Inputs, outputs, subwoofer outputs, low pass phase, subsonic, gain, remote, all will be in there. And then on this other side, that's the same thing. It's little diagram, so it has 4 separate 0 gauge, 12 volt, and ground. So yeah, let's open this up. I already opened it up. Skip all the cutting and whatnot, but. And then the Crescendo does come with a bass knob. I'm not gonna use this. I'm probably just gonna get a custom bass knob, but I mean, as a clipping indicator, power indicator, I mean, bass knob feels pretty nice. But I'm not too big of a fan of these little like knobs. I'd rather have a full-size bass knob like the Down for Sound one. So probably gonna get that. But yeah, this is also included in the Crescendo. I'm gonna pull this out for you guys and show you what a beautiful AK this is. It's actually quite heavy. Set this down nice and carefully here. You don't want to damage this. I'm ripping the plastic for you guys, so that's how you know it's real. So this is what the AK looks like. I know I should probably have 2 of these. I'll probably end up buying a second one. For 4 CV5s, this will probably give it about 2K each. I think that's be pretty good, but I might get a second one. So stay tuned for that. Just wanted to make a quick unboxing video for this. Thanks for tuning in. This is gonna be slamming, like I said before.